We'll guide you through how to insert a text box in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document where you want to add a text box. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and select New. This will open up a drawing window. In the drawing window, look for the text box icon, which looks like a T inside a rectangle, and click on it. Then, click and drag your mouse to create a text box of your desired size within the drawing canvas. You can type your text directly into this box. If you want to adjust the font style or size, use the toolbar options above the canvas. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Save and Close button at the top right of the drawing window. Your text box will now appear in your document. You can click and drag it to reposition it if needed, or click on it and use the small blue squares around it to resize it. If you want to edit the text in your box later, simply click on the text box, then click on the edit link that appears underneath it to reopen the drawing window. This method gives you control over how your text is presented and can make your document more visually appealing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.